How to use Henry's aluminum fibered roof coating. First, prep the area for the application. Make sure it's clean. Next, stir the product till it's a full silver and it's not chunky anymore. Next, select the right brush. I like using these because they put on a good application of about 1/4 inch thick. I'll post a link in the description where you can get some. Next, always push it in the direction water is going to flow down. So as you see here, I'm pushing it down because that's the way water would flow down this roof line. Going with the flow of water, I'm using gravity to help me. It is going to fill in any hairline cracks or pinholes that might be in this roof, allowing water to seep in underneath the tin. One of the things I love most about this product compared to traditional roof sealers is I don't have to be as careful with spills or splashes, because once it cures, it's going to be identical to the aluminum tin that's on it already. So as I go around this roof vent here, I'm making sure I get a nice good application in there, making sure there's no lips or seams left uncovered. It's important that you check the weather before you begin this project. You want to make sure you're going to have at least 24 hours without rain, so it has plenty of time to dry and cure. Similar to paint, you want to make sure temperatures are not below 40 degrees when you go to apply the product, because it'll significantly lengthen the amount of curing time you'll need.